So the device in my hand is air conditions remote, and in this video we are going to show you how to replace battery in this AC remote. So if your remote is on, first you must turn it off. So you must have the power off. After that you can turn the back side, and there you can see a battery jack. Here you must remove this cover. You can, using your finger, you can simply move like this for removing the cover. Now you can see that batteries, you can take out the batteries here. That is, you can simply use, you can see two batteries there. You must simply insert your finger and remove your batteries. So AAA type batteries have been used. So we know that in this battery, this is the positive side and negative sides are there. So this is the positive side of the battery, and this is the negative side. So the positive side, so the negative side should be touching the spring, and you must insert like this, and the another battery should be inserted in the opposite direction like this. Hope this video helps you. For more video updates like this, please subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. Thank you.